Hello everybody, it was a while since I made any reviews for water cooling products, and today I have a perfect occasion to do so, because EK released a series of fans specifically designed for radiators. It's great news because we haven't had any good interesting product for a while in the fan area, So some of you probably already have those fans, might have your own impressions. I haven't chance to use those fans myself, and my test bench is not ready because NVIDIA still haven't sent my GPU cards, which is a little bit disappointing, and I hope we can finish it soon so we can start crunching some numbers. But today I would like to look at the fans as a first impression, give you some thoughts about them, and also would like to make a noise test because I have equipment and will not require test bench, completely assembled test bench to do so. Well, we can see that EK released fans that pretty much mimic product line of GT in the past. So we have a speed 1150, 1450, 1850 and so on. Exactly the same as we had with Gentle Typhoons. Also, if you look on the fan itself, it's obvious clues toward GTs. They have a kind of similar kind of color of the impeller. GT has a silver impeller, while EK tried to make a similar color, but it turns to be a little bit more brownish, which is a little bit odd. I would say that I personally never liked the fact that GT came with a silver blade, because it's not always fit. I would say it's in most cases doesn't fit any color scheme you'd like to achieve. Black blades would be much nicer choice, but EK decided to continue to do similar type of combination colors, and they try to make a gray blades itself. They turn to be a little bit more brownish, which is I think even worse than gray, but we modders, after all, we can paint things and make different colors if we want, or some people just don't care. So, if also you would like to look on the motor size, it's very similar. If you both GT and those Vardar fans has the same size of motor, which is good because it's a little bit provide a bit more powerful type of configuration, so we can have a little bit more pressure on your radiator and can push better your air through the fins. So it's a good indication. Without testing, we cannot say how exactly it works, but at least it's a good sign. Also, number of blades also increased. We have 7 blades, if I'm not mistaken, on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, and GTs had 9 blades. So potentially, again, there could be some differentiations here because impeller was not exactly copied. It was put in the same style as it was on a high-speed GTs, not on a low-speed GTs. But we'll see about this later again. And another major difference between new Vardar fans and GTs is that this is a power management. So we never had GT with power management configuration. Now we do have. All Vardar fans comes as PWM. So if you're one of the fans who would like to control fans not with your voltage regulation but with your signal type of regulation, that's the product for you. So it's a good news. Well, not much to talk. I really think that unboxing kind of stupid way to see. We're more interested probably in some numbers, so I would like to set up my little test bench for the noise configuration. We power up both fans. I still have this measuring tool we're going to use, and I still have 2 fans in my possession, which is we can try to work. Lowest speed GT Ep6, which was 1150 RPMs, and we have a Vardar on the same speed, and we have Ep45. Those fans I had in our store for a while, and hopefully we'll get them back in a few months. And this is a 2150. Vardar is 2200, but I'll see if I can level up rotation speed on both to the same level, and then we can look how much noise produce both of them. Alright guys, so let me set up the things. I will reposition cam, and we will just get some numbers and get some ideas if fans in comparable range is any difference, and I even don't know what's going on, but I'll tell you in a second. Alrighty, so I'll try to make my best to have a similar type of setup for both all fans. So we'll try to make sure that fans position is the same same distance from our measuring, and put something heavy so we can get closer than we want to, and let's measure the distance. Can't really read that well. Let's make it 15 centimeters. Ready. So, setup. We have our measuring tool, we have pedestal, noise dampening for the fan. I have my fan controller, so I can try to see if we have a similar type of speed. So 1150 Vardar, open air speed 1180. And if we put Gentle Typhoon, oh, it's the wrong one actually, and I think it's broken. This one 12, so I need to slow it down to have a similar type of speed. What we had, 1180? I don't even remember. I think it was. Yeah, something like that. So that's the idea. So let me power up this thing. We'll check out what our speeds are. Alright guys, you saw numbers yourself. I don't think I need to make any additional comments here. It all speaks for itself. I'm looking forward to try Vardar fans on radiators, which will be more practical type of usage because nobody just spin fans in open air. And I would like to thank everybody who supports my channel and follow my builds. I hit 10K, which is pretty exciting things to do. I'm happy with more and more people interested in water cooling, and we'll continue to produce videos, and I hope you will like them. Thank you very much and see you soon.